Hey creators, welcome back to the channel, where we test gear in the real world so you don't waste your money. Today, we're diving into the best budget cameras of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a vlogger, or just want a reliable shooter without breaking the bank, we've got you covered. Let's get into it. We took the Canon EOS R100 out for a week of street photography and casual vlogging, and it blew us away for its size and price. This is Canon's smallest RF mount mirrorless camera, yet it delivers stunning 24.1 megapixel stills and crisp 4K video. The Digic 8 processor keeps things snappy, and the dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection makes portraits effortless. The RFS 18 to 45mm lens is compact but versatile, great for landscapes and everyday shots. It's perfect for beginners who want pro-level image quality without the bulk or complexity. Want a mirrorless camera that's light, fast, and future-proof? Check the description for product links and best prices. We use the Sony ZV-1F for travel vlogs and social content, and it's clear this camera was built by creators, for creators. The ultra-wide 20mm lens captured us and the background beautifully, no selfie stick needed. The background defocus button gave us instant bokeh, and the built-in directional mic delivered clean audio even in noisy streets. It's lightweight, pocketable, and the flip-out screen made framing a breeze. If you're moving up from a smartphone, this is your perfect first step into serious content creation. Ready to level up your vlogs? Tap the description for the best deal on this creator's favorite. We handed the Canon Rebel T7 to a first-time DSLR user, and within minutes they were capturing sharp, vibrant shots. The 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and Digic 4 Plus processor delivers solid image quality, and the built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing easy. The 18 to 55mm kit lens is great for portraits, landscapes, and everyday shooting. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, intuitive, and compatible with Canon's full EF lens lineup. If you want to learn photography the right way, this is your classroom companion. Want DSLR power without the learning curve? Check the description for links and pricing. We took the LUMIX ZS50 on a wildlife shoot, and its 30 times Leica zoom lens was a lifesaver. From birds in flight to distant landscapes, this compact camera delivered sharp results. The 12.1 megapixel high sensitivity sensor performed well in low light, and the built-in viewfinder was a rare treat at this price. It's not a DSLR, but it's perfect for travelers and hobbyists who want serious zoom in a pocket-sized package. Need reach without weight? Tap the description for the best price on this travel-ready zoom hero. We tested the KODAK PIXPRO AZ528 at a sports event, and were stunned by its 52x optical zoom. This bridge camera gives you DSLR-like control without the lens swapping. The 16-megapixel BSI KMOS sensor and 1080p video are solid for the price, and the built-in Wi-Fi made sharing quick and easy. It's ideal for families, hobbyists, and anyone who wants one camera that does it all, from wildlife to action shots. Want massive zoom without a massive price tag? Check the description for product links and deals. That's our hands-on roundup of the best budget cameras of 2025. We've tested them in the field, pushed their limits, and now it's your turn to pick your perfect match. Drop a comment with your favorite, hit that like button, and don't forget, all the product links and best prices are waiting for you in the description. Subscribe for more gear reviews that actually go the distance.